What's up, guys? Your girl Nikki. I'm back with another banger. Matt is currently outside. I'll show you guys in a minute what is he doing. But I know, guys, it's been a long time we haven't seen you guys, so make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, turn on your notifications. And as you guys can tell by the title, yes, I got my dream, not my dream truck, but I got my first truck ever. And right now we're currently putting a new bed liner in there, like spray bed liner. And we did a little bit last night, but then it started to get too dark and we couldn't really see, and we ran out of bed liner. So we went back out to Walmart and got more bed liner for us to finish our project. But it's my first truck, guys. We got many things to do with it. We're doing a bed liner. We're gonna get new back headlights here in a couple of days. We're gonna be putting some big tires on it. This truck's gonna look sick after I'm done with it, and then I'm gonna sell it and then probably do another project again. But stay tuned, guys, and enjoy this video, and let's go outside and see what Matt's doing. And I know, guys, I haven't been vlogging in a while, but stay tuned, guys. I will vlog more often now, and yeah, so stay tuned and comment down below what you guys would like to see us do, because I just don't know what to like make videos for, and it's literally for you guys. It's for you guys' entertainment and everything else. But I do things like I want, like about this truck. I'm gonna do it so I look back and see what I did to my first truck ever. So it works for me and it works for you guys. You guys enjoy watching me, and I enjoy having you guys watch me as well. And you guys are like family to me. Our channel is growing outrageous. Thank you so much, guys. I love you guys so much. But let's go outside and see what we're doing to the truck. And sorry, guys, the lighting's down. And see, this truck's gonna look sick after I'm done with it, guys. I know it's okay. I'll tell you guys all about it before we show you. It's stock. It does have bigger tires than it's supposed to, but I'm gonna go bigger. It's a little, it's loud, but not loud, you know what I mean? Currently, alright, that's all I'm going to tell you guys about that, because we're about to go out there in a second. But currently, the Ford F-250 is down, you know. The 6.0s are always breaking out, you know what I'm talking about. So, we were going down Route 2 to work, and our whole truck just lost power. No power at all. No power. We didn't have no brakes. We didn't have no power steering, anything. And then the brakes just started working. So thank God, because if not, we would have hit someone, and that would have been bad. But the truck's down. We're gonna save up some money, put it in a shop, get it fixed, pay it off, because like we told you guys, we're paying for it. Pay it off, and then we're gonna trade it for a nice gasser. We were tired of these diesels, because diesels are so much money. Like, I just bought a part for that truck, 12 bucks. If I buy a part for that truck, say about $100. See what I'm talking about, guys? So we're planning on getting a gasser, a nice lifted gasser that he loves, and then we're gonna fill this one up. This one's more for a work truck that I got, but it's still my truck. It's my first truck, so let's go out there and look at it and see what you guys think about it. Let's go. Alright, guys, here's the truck. It's pretty clean. The inside, it's like blue. It needs some inside work, like the seats. That's nothing. It does have a back. This door's like, don't even, this door's, forgot, can't open it. But this door, there's the back. This door opens, but that door, I guess it's made not to even open. That's weird. But right now, we're currently doing the bed liner. It was all scratched up like this, all scratched up, and yeah, it's nice. Nice little work truck, my first truck. And this one's down for the count. But yeah, we're gonna get this one fixed and everything else, so. But alright, guys, we're gonna do the bed liner and stay tuned. Alright, guys, we just did the whole truck bed liner with this this spray stuff, you guys actually recommend this because this stuff works pretty good. Like, I had rust holes and everything, and it pretty much like filled them all in, except like right there and stuff. Look, the bed liner, all nice and done. But like I don't know if we should do this part.
What do you mean?
Yeah.
Or like the sides?
I don't
Yeah.
want.
No.
That's my mom.
I don't think we should because all the hardware, or we would have to take all the hardware off, and we don't have time for that today.
But it came out pretty good, guys.
Alright.
Alright, guys. We're gonna keep off the tailgate.
You don't want to go over the top of this tailgate, do you? Like the top edge, or no? I don't think we should.
The sides are.
I don't think tailgate's really a big deal. I don't think so. Can't remember. Oh no, if it looks funny, we'll just take it back off and carry it here. Oh, we need a are we priming in this or just?
I know it's kind of rusty, guys, but the bed liner will prevent it from keep rusting
more. And this is just a temporary fix.
I just want it to look nice, and
eventually I'm going to take the bed off and sheet metal it and everything else. Huh? I'm taping it up a little more just so I know I don't get it on the stuff.
I really don't care if you paint those because those will help it stop rusting.
Do you think we should put a piece down here just in case?
Oh wait, we'll paint that and we'll make that straight line.
Well then we're going to need plastic for overspray. Make a straight line and then we'll take plastic off. Oh wait, we used all of it. That'd be cool if we could find or get bed liner.
Yeah.
With a paintbrush. Paint inside these. After that, just run tape all the way down to like here with the center and get bed liner on it. Now we gotta pull this piece of tape.
Alright, guys.
You might have to put We're hoping the rain holds off. I can spray this in what, 2 seconds? If I hit that, I suck at painting.
Right. You guys hear that? If he hits that, he sucks at painting. And he does painting for a living, so let's see if he does.
Where's my
this.
full cam?
If it comes out good.
This is the part that's gonna hit it. The overspray. Spraying like that.
Oh, this tape wasn't down on the way, but
it's alright, we get scraped off like I was saying earlier. Doing the edges first just so they're out the way.
alright guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, the bed liner dried up pretty guys. We also did this part too, just a second ago. We're gonna get new lights because I don't know, someone
Kinda looks like they tried to spray bed liner and then they fucked up and there's caulk everywhere and
yeah, but guys, that's a nice looking truck.
that's great.
Alright guys, so he took off the windshield wiper thingies, and before they didn't have no paint, like really no paint, so we took them off and we sprayed painted them black so they look nice and sharp. I know, spray paint is his favorite thing. Okay, babe. Oh guys,
gotta get the truck windows up.
guys, we're gonna sell our boat. It was a long time being your boat. But yeah, we're gonna have to sell it because we don't really use it, and we want to get a bigger one. It was a fun boat, but we definitely need bigger. You know what I mean? So because we would like to bring our dogs, and it was hell bringing them with us. But yeah, guys, that's my truck. There'll be more truck videos on that. Pretty soon we're gonna get bigger tires for it. There's a lot of things we're gonna be doing for it. Bigger tires, new mirrors, maybe eventually a new bed, but we're not sure yet. A new grill, new headlights, tail lights. There's gonna be a lot of things done to it. If you guys do like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications. If you want to see more thunder, I think we got done fast enough. It's a thunder and pour. But
That's what I'm hoping.
oh, I felt a drop. But if you guys like the truck videos that we will be doing, that we're gonna be doing to the truck, please comment down below, and we will do more videos and vlog it for you guys. But thank you guys so much for supporting our channel, and make sure you guys turn the notifications on so you guys get notified of us posting. We're gonna try every single day now. But stay tuned, guys, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
We gotta hurry up.
We gotta hurry up before it starts raining. But we love you guys. Bye.